Hello, everyone. This story is full of feelings. It's about a girl who feels all alone. She lives in a world that forgets her, but she learns how to stand up again. Let's read, feel, and speak every word together. Now, let's begin this powerful journey.
Emily sat on her bed. She looked out the window. The sky was gray and sad, just like her heart. She had no family now. Her mom died last year. Her dad left long ago. She was all alone. No hugs, no smiles, just silence in the house. "I miss you," Mom Emily whispered. She hugged her pillow. Tears rolled down her face. No one was there to see them. No one was there to care. She didn't even have a pet. Not even a fish. Only her shadow stayed with her. Every morning was hard. She didn't want to wake up. She didn't want to eat. She didn't want to live. She asked, "Why am I here?" No answer came. Just the wind outside. Emily still went to school. She walked alone every day. Kids laughed and played. Emily just walked by. No one said hello. No one asked her name. They looked at her clothes. Old shoes. Torn backpack. They whispered. They giggled. Emily heard it all. But she stayed quiet. She looked at the floor. She hid her pain inside. In class, she sat in the back. No one sat near her. No one passed her notes. No one smiled at her. She felt like a ghost. Invisible, empty, broken. The teacher asked a question. Emily knew the answer. But she stayed silent. Her voice was locked inside. She thought no one cares. Emily had a birthday. She turned 18. But no one knew. No gifts. No cake. No calls. No cards. Just silence and tears. She lit a candle herself. She closed her eyes. She made a wish. "I wish I had someone." Then she blew it out. The room stayed dark. So did her heart. She looked at her phone. No messages. No happy birthdays. Not even from her aunt. She felt like nothing. She whispered, "Do I even matter?" Her own voice hurt her. One rainy day, Emily walked home. Her shoes were wet. Her hair was soaked. She slipped and fell. Her knee was bleeding. She sat and cried. Then a voice came. "Hey, are you okay?" Emily looked up. A girl stood there. She had an umbrella. She held out her hand. "Let me help you." Emily was shocked. No one had ever asked. She took her hand. The girl smiled warmly. "My name's Olivia," she said. "I see you walk alone. Do you live near here?" Emily nodded slowly. "I'm Emily," she whispered. Olivia walked her home. They didn't talk much, but the silence felt warm. Not lonely anymore. Next day, Emily smiled. Just a little. She waited for school. Maybe Olivia would come. And she did. "Morning, Emily," she waved. They walked together. Other kids looked surprised. Some whispered again. But Emily didn't care. She wasn't alone now. One friend is enough. One hand can lift you. "In class," Emily answered. Her voice was soft. But it came out. The teacher smiled at her. Great answer, Emily. She felt a spark. A small light inside. Hope returned. Not big, but bright. That weekend, Emily cleaned. She found an old box. Inside was a letter. From her mom. Tears filled her eyes. She opened the envelope. My dear Emily. It said, if you're reading this, I'm gone. But I love you always. You are stronger than you know. You can do great things. Don't give up, my girl. Emily cried hard. But it felt healing. She held the letter close. Her mom still believed in her. She whispered, I will try. And for the first time, she meant it. Emily began writing. She started a journal. She wrote her pain. She wrote her hopes. She even wrote dreams. And it helped her grow. She joined the school library. She helped with books. She met other quiet kids. They shared stories too. She wasn't the only one. One girl said, I thought I was alone. Emily replied, you're not. I'm here. That night, Emily smiled. She looked at the stars. She said, thank you, Mom. Thank you, Olivia. Thank you, me. She wasn't alone anymore. Not in her heart. Months passed quickly. Emily grew braver. She spoke more in class. She smiled more often. She helped other lonely kids. She gave what she needed. One day at school, a girl cried alone. Emily sat beside her. I know how you feel, she said, and hugged her tight. That moment was powerful. She became someone's hope.